Hello everybody. Welcome back to 2 Tech Explorers. In this video, we will learn about algorithmic bias that gets into artificial intelligence. Algorithmic bias in AI refers to the systematic and unfair prejudices or favoritism that can be encoded into algorithms, resulting in discriminatory outcomes or decisions. It occurs when machine learning algorithms or other AI systems exhibit biased behavior, reflecting the biases present in the data they were trained on or the biases of their designers. There are several ways in which algorithmic bias can manifest. 1. Training data bias. Algorithms learn patterns and make decisions based on the data they are trained on. If the training data is biased or unrepresentative, the algorithm may perpetuate or amplify those biases. For example, if an AI system is trained on historical hiring data that reflects gender or racial biases, it may learn to discriminate against certain groups when making hiring recommendations. 2. Sampling bias. When data used for training an algorithm is not representative of the entire population or includes underrepresented groups, it can lead to biased outcomes. If, for instance, a facial recognition algorithm is trained predominantly on lighter-skinned faces, it may have difficulty accurately recognizing individuals with darker skin tones. 3. Stereotyping bias. Algorithms may learn stereotypes present in the training data and apply them when making decisions. This can result in unfair treatment or discrimination against certain groups. For example, an algorithm used in criminal justice systems may wrongly associate certain demographic characteristics with higher criminality, leading to biased predictions and sentencing. 4. Proxy bias. Sometimes, algorithms use proxy variables that are not directly discriminatory but are correlated with sensitive attributes. In such cases, the algorithm may indirectly discriminate against certain groups. For instance, if a lending algorithm uses postal codes as a proxy for race or ethnicity, it may result in unfair denial of loans to individuals from certain neighborhoods. 5. Lack of diversity in AI development. If the teams developing AI systems lack diversity, they may inadvertently introduce their own biases into the algorithms or fail to identify potential biases during development and testing. Algorithmic bias is a significant concern because it can perpetuate and amplify societal biases, reinforce discrimination, and lead to unjust outcomes for individuals or communities. Addressing algorithmic bias requires careful attention to data collection, data preprocessing, algorithm design, and ongoing evaluation and monitoring of AI systems to ensure fairness and mitigate discriminatory impacts. Hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Please like the video and subscribe the channel.